own cow.
Matt, you got that!
Now you have your own green cow.
Oh my God!
No one touched
Mom,
it.
this can go with Matthew's Andy Manning costume.
Matt, what is it?
It's Andy Manning's school.
Oh, wait a minute, Mom. Is this one mine?
Can you show me, Matt?
Lily.
Matt,
Mom, I got
show me what it is. What is it? Is Handy Manny toolbox?
Yes, mine.
Oh. Cool.
I got a flashlight with batteries.
Wow, it's a princess
I'm
costume.
definitely opening this today.
Daddy,
What do you have, Lily?
princess flashlight with batteries.
Whoa, cool.
We can put the batteries in the princess flashlight.
No, we didn't. You're acting like a wild maniac.
Then I can have it for nickname time.
Oh.
Get the ones over here, I said. Get these for the kids. Yeah, sit down there alone.
Okay, buddy, I'm gonna do this. I got this.
Alright, you guys take them over there.
I got clothes. Whoa! In the summer.
Open this
In the
one,
summer, I can wear this.
I'm gonna leave this one for last.
No, under my
It's
clothes.
pajamas. Look at the little shorts that go with it.
Oh, there's another present that I need.
I got pajamas, Daddy.
Wow, what kind? Polka dot
Hold
and
on,
pink
no.
shirt?
You want to
And
open it?
that pants.
Alright, go give it to Daddy.
Oh. And I got a green shirt.
This is for you and Lily.
I got a green
Another
shirt.
art lots.
And
Wow.
guitar pants.
Guitar pants.
I'm gonna sick of
See?
this for once.
Look, Mom, I got guitar pants.
Wow.
That's what every rock star needs.
Lily, this one's for you and Matt.
I'm gonna open this
Go over
one.
there and open it. 'Cause that's one.
What? Oh my gosh! What the
Mr.
heck?
Potato and Mr. Yay! I got my guitar!
Oh, Brad got the guitar.
I'm gonna
No.
That is just the one that I wanted to.
What is that, you guys?
Potato head.
But who is it?
Buzz Lightyear.
There's Buzz Lightyear and Jesse.
I'm gonna open
Lily, what'd you get?
No, Brad, Matt, that's not yours.
Matt, Lily, show me what you got.
Open it.
No, that's yours.
What is it?
I got a wreck out!
No,
Lily, show the camera.
You got a fly guitar.
Gotta open the big fat one.
Lily, show me that. What'd you get?
I showed you. And I got.
Alright, Lily, go over there and get one of the,
Yes!
All right, why didn't you show us what you get?
Me?
The other Brad.
that's Matthew's. Yours are the door ones.
Matthew.
Just leave it here while he's opening something right now.
I was gonna do Matthew. This is
Alright,
yours.
go get one of yours because you still have a lot over there.
I got the Star Wars Lego set from the Dagobah system.
Look.
It's Endor
Endor system.
from Return of the Jedi.
Daddy.
How many? Yeah.
What is that, Matt?
A daddy.
It's an xylophone.
There's 12 figures.
Xylophone starts with X.
Yep. You're
Very good, Lily.
Mama, any of the other bags mine?
I don't think so.
I'm all done.
Alright, Matt, go get a Tigger and Sue one.
Can I open my paper jams up?
Get all the wrapping
Mom!
paper's gotta be tucked in that bag.
Okay. I'm gonna open everything.
I'm gonna open it.
Especially my gun over there.
Good.
Look, Daddy.
Brad, go get your medicine right now.
Daddy. 3D.
3D, what is it?
3D glasses and a movie.
Oh, it's a Viewmaster. Those are fun.
Can you open it?
Not now.
Please.
Lily, you got lots of stuff to open.
How can you open it?
No, I just said no. We'll open
That's
everything.
for you
in-
and Lily.
Oh my gosh, I see Cinderella, Mom.
Oh no, that's for you.
Matt, what'd you get? Let me see.
You just gotta look.
What is it?
No, you didn't if you didn't find it.
It's a flashlight.
Oh, it's a handy manny projector light. Oh, very cool.
Daddy, look inside these. Look inside these.
I know, it's a Viewmaster. You see all kinds of pictures.
Yeah.
And then you push the button to see a new picture.
Yep. Cool.
We'll put that there.
I don't know where these two are on there. Matthew. Matthew. Get that off. Got a book. Get the book.
Matt, what'd you get? What is it? Let me see the cover. Let me see the front.
Show Daddy the book so he can get
Matt, show me the front of your book.
Mom, I got the middle one.
Oh my gosh, look, Mom. Margaret was a book and numbers.
Mommy's gonna read that book and record it so you can listen to it, okay?
Then you
do that
can
later.
report mine. Mommy, I want to open it.
Alright. Lily, go over there. Those are for you. The door ones at the end.
Oh,
See? That's what I told you. You gotta pick them up. You're gonna break it. Here. Open this one first.
Ow, my foot.
Guys, get all your stuff and put it in the pile.
oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's a princess makeup set. When we go to Morgan's, then I can
Look, Will. Look, Matt.
Joy Bear.
I would open it.
Those are
on
Lily's.
video watch.
I open it.
No, it's Lily's.
I open it.
It's Lily's. Yours, you have that cigarette and poo right there. Lily, hurry. Brad, you still have
Matthew,
some
open
cookies
that
over
for
here.
me.
I do? Is that mine?
Yeah. Oh, that's Lily's. Here, Lily, you gotta keep opening your stuff. honey.
Makeup set.
I know.
These are mine.
No. There's right over there. There's some Power Ranger.
I got winter stuff.
Oh, really?
I got mittens, a scarf. I got mittens.
Lily, show me.